Luna Loungewear is our featured pattern this week, and it is one of my favorite patterns to quickly whip up foundational garments or PJs for me and my 3 girls. Today I'm going to show you how I use Luna Loungewear to scrap bust, and I have a ton of scraps that need to be gone through, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to use Luna Loungewear with your scraps. So let me tell you just a little bit about this pattern. Luna Loungewear is a PJ pattern. It can be a nightie, it can be a camisole top with like spaghetti straps, and it can have inside of that camisole top or the nightie version, you can put a shelf bra. It has a standalone shelf bra, and it also has PJ bottoms, which can be made in a crop length or a capri length or in a shorts length. Luna Loungewear actually holds a super special place in my heart because it was one of the very first patterns that I ever sewed up, and I did a batch sew using scrap fabrics. And I made a whole bunch of nightgowns for my daughters, and in fact they still wear them today. So I love Luna Loungewear, and so do my kids. Here I have pulled out the pattern pieces for Luna Loungewear, and as you can see, this is all I'm gonna need for the top. The cami, I just will use the same pattern piece for the front and the back, so this is gonna be pretty easy to find some scraps for. And then the bottoms, I think I'm probably gonna make a short set. The bottoms, I will just maybe need less than a yard. Have you ever wondered how Tammy and I store our fabric scraps? I'm gonna give you a little behind the scenes sneak peek here. Don't judge, it's very messy. All right, so this is where the magic happens usually at Love Notions. This is our cutting table, and as you can see, we have it kind of piled high with a pattern testing patterns. We have some notions here, and then we have piles of fabric that either just got in, it's waiting to be washed, some stuff that's cut out, those are Allegros that need to get sewn up. We have just some random things all around here, and just a lot of stuff going on there. So what we usually do is cut out our patterns and our fabric on this big table, and then whatever's left over we stuff into these laundry baskets, and you know, if it's small scraps, then we'll throw it away. But we try to kind of use these, go through them as we can. So what I'm gonna do today is look through these baskets and down here for scraps to make my kids some Luna Loungewear. All right, here's my first set. I have enough yardage for this ombre cotton lycra for the shorts. And then I have plenty of yardage here, but it's like the, I couldn't use this for much else for me. So I'm gonna be doing the front here and then positioning this down here and be able to do the back for the nightie. And I love being able to use up scraps like this that are like really sizable, but I can't really combine with anything else for me. So I love being able to use the Luna Loungewear like that. As I cut these out, this is the front of the Luna Loungewear. I am actually omitting the faux fly, which is a nice detail, but for kids' pajamas, I think I'm gonna skip it this time and just make it even easier and faster. Ooh, look what I just found. This is gonna be perfect. This is like a looped French terry. It is gonna be excellent to make up another pair of Luna shorts for my daughter. And I made these for, with a pair, actually Tammy made these into a pair of Resolution joggers for me, and they are the best to wear for PJs. So I'm gonna cut out another one of those Luna shorts with this. Ooh, I found this really, really nice modal stripe This I cut, I'm just remembering now, I cut out this piece of fabric for the lining of a Whistler hoodie, and it was such a shame to have to get rid of the rest of this, so I'm so glad I'm gonna be able to use this for some comfy PJs for my daughter, and they'll match with these gray French terry bottoms so well. Yay!